Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, this is Asad Yaqub and I have brought a wonderful breaking news for you. Exactly. That breaking news is I'm going to share a wonderful book on essay writing. As you guys know, essay writing is always a confusion for many IELTS candidates. Frankly speaking, a majority of IELTS candidates don't even know how many types of essays are there in IELTS. So in this situation, I have brought a wonderful book for you, and you will only get the book if you are going to comment this video. Okay, well guys, I just came across this book. One of my students, he shared this book with me. In this book, you will learn all about essay writing. You will learn about types of essays, all the types of essays like problem solution, opinion, discussion, and you are going to learn how to deal with each essay type to get better bench score in IELTS writing. Let me tell you, essay writing is of 6 band. Report or letter writing is of 3 band. So if you write a wonderful essay, you can always score better in essay writing, and that can improve your overall bench score, not only in writing but also in IELTS as well. So don't worry, here I am with this book. You don't have to do anything, just comment so that I get to know that you got this book from me. I have given the link. You can copy, you can download the book from there, and once you download the book successfully, definitely you can just comment and tell me, sir, I have downloaded this book successfully. And then if printing facility is available and it's not very expensive, I would recommend you can print this book out, because there are around 150 plus pages, so you can print it out if printing facility is available. And before printing the book, you must read the first 5 to 10 pages so that you understand whether this book is according to your level or not. You must read 5 to 10 pages, and then you can just go on and print this book, and you will learn about every type of essay in this book, and there you are. I'm trying my level best to make IELTS easier for you. That's what I say, IELTS made simple, that you don't need any teacher. I'm trying my level best that you prepare for IELTS without any teacher, without any trainer, and you get your desired bench score. That's all guys. Thank you very, very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.